Hey guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel again. First of all, I apologize for being absent on this YouTube channel for a long period of time. I guess the last video that I posted here was 6 months ago. So, a little and quick update on my USMLE journey. The last time when I posted a video, I was preparing for my Step 2 CK examination, and I was also doing a full-time job back then as a junior doctor. So, I passed my Step 2 CK examination, and fortunately, I scored well on that exam. And after that I went to US for my clinical rotation. So this sums up why I was absent from YouTube for a long period of time. So I did my clinical rotations in the US, and fortunately and luckily I applied for this year's math season in internal medicine. And I clearly remember seeing this dream maybe like 4 to 5 years back when I was still in my medical school, like most of you guys are. And I dreamt of taking these USMLE exams and applying to residency. It looked like a very distant dream back then, but right now, going through that season, it's just like mixed up feeling. And obviously this is a big psychological pressure, because you have been doing all of these eventually to come to this point where you can apply for the residency, and waiting for the interviews, and then taking the interviews, and then being anxious for the match and getting into the residency. So clearly a mixed of the feelings, but hopefully now I will have time. And again, I have resumed my job as a junior doctor again, and I hope to make more videos in the coming future where I'll be sharing the step 2 CK strategies, like how to score well in step 2 CK, how to do well in step 2 CK, and again, about the timelines, about the self assessments, like everything regarding the step 2 CK. Apart from that, I will be focusing on a very important part of the whole USMLE journey, which is the United States clinical experience. I'll be making videos on US clinical experience, like how to get US clinical experience, how to get positions for observerships, for externships, even for electives in university hospitals, outpatient clinics, and all that stuff. And also, the other perspective of the United States clinical experience, like where to stay, how to book the airline tickets, and all that stuff. Because whenever we start as a beginner, there are so many things which we are not aware of. For example, even if I ask you where to stay, you will not be aware of how to book an accommodation, which are the cheaper options, and things like that. So I think since I have gone through that process very recently, so I can help you out with that also. And last but not the least, how interested I am in teaching. When it comes to teaching, it's a very satisfying job. And I really like to learn, and really like to teach, and makes the concept easier for you guys. So I will also be teaching, and mainly about the step 2 CK, because when we try to search on the internet regarding the resources, there are plenty of resources for step 1. But once I was preparing for my step 2 CK, I felt there was a gap in the resources, and there was not much information available for step 2 as compared to the step 1. So I will try to add something, and make a process little bit easier for you guys. So with this, I will try to wrap up this video, and I wish you all of the best for those who are preparing for their step examinations, and also who are in the same boat, or in the same stage of the journey, who have applied for this season's match, and are waiting for their interviews, or even taking the interviews and waiting for the match. I wish you all of the best, and yeah, so take care guys, and have a great time studying.